Function decorators are simply wrappers to existing function. So let's create our function decorator so I can explain to you guys further what it does. So we created a function called greet, and it's going to return hello and the name that you're going to give it. There you go, much better. So now hello John Cena, hello John Cena, which is much better. Now we're going to create a function decorator for this function right here. This is the wrapper. We created another function called we're going to decorate it with happy, and we're passing it a function. And inside this function, we write another function, and it takes in a name, and it returns the function that we call with the name, and it adds are you happy today? And then it returns the value that comes from this function here. So let's run it and see how it works. Hello Johnny, as you can see, it's printing hello Johnny, and that's for the first one here. And then if you want to activate this one here, hello John Cena, are you happy today? As you can see, this is the first function that I have written right here. This is the second function, but you get to pass a greet function, and it wraps a certain value or wraps whatever it has to do into this function that has been passed right here. So the name became now hello John Cena, how are you happy today? Another way to call a function decorator is to use the @ symbol on top of the function that you actually wanted to run. So we can actually erase the greet right here. Let's comment the greet. Let's comment the greet out. Let's comment this one out here. Save it. So this is the decorator that we have actually created. And now we're going to run this program with the decorator. So now we created it exactly the same function as here, but instead of passing the decorator this way here, what we're going to do is we're going to pass it by using the @ notation and the decorator that you actually want to apply it into the function, and then we're going to have it do its thing. David, are you happy today? So as you can see, this decorator here on top of our function runs this program and decorates this function with this program right here.